And today I am going to deploy EC2 instance using the CloudFormation. Okay. So basically, CloudFormation is a AWS IAC. Okay. Just like a Terraform. But basically, the domain area of Terraform is bigger than CloudFormation. Okay. So CloudFormation basically suitable for the AWS based work. Okay, if you are fully overall work on AWS, then all resources are on your AWS. Then you use CloudFormation. If you are using the hybrid cloud model, then you prefer Terraform. Okay, basically Terraform is a basically wide range. Okay, um, mm, provide the facility to plug in the other resource like GitHub Action. Okay, etc. Okay, Jenkins likes other thing, but CloudFormation allow basically US AWS allow only AWS built-in package. Okay, so you need not allowed to additionally plug in any other things. Okay, so sometime allow, but best fit is Terraform. So so Terraform is a easy to write and etc. But CloudFormation is a one of the important tool of the AWS. Okay, you need to learn about. If you are doing AWS cloud engineering, so then you need to know about the CloudFormation. Okay, so proceeding this section, first of all, uh, we need to know about what is the different section in the template when you are going to write the CloudFormation script. Okay, first is section in the resource, then parameter, output, mapping, okay, condition, transform, format, version, and description. First of all, when you start the writing the scripting of the CloudFormation, then we need to start from the format version. Okay, this provide two language, okay, in JSON format as well as YAML format. So YAML format is easy to write. So we preferred most of the peoples and most of the scripter preferred this YAML format. So e- easy to copy and paste in your notepad and then write all this code. Okay, in resource section. Inside the resource, basically, resource means your EC2 instance, your KeyPair, your security group, your other service of the AWS. Okay. So basically, you need to copy and paste in your notepad and change all the required. Okay. So I already done this, so I am directly view my code. Okay. So you need to view then cat cat EC2. This is my basically a code here. This is a format version. Okay. This this is a basically a description about this template. Okay, here is the resource section. Inside the resource, you need to mention your security group. Then after my C2 instance, a KeyPair must be already made. Okay, we need to go some dashboard and in network and security section, select KeyPair and create a KeyPair named Godski. Okay, in output section, this simply uh, give output a public IP, okay, of your instance, so you can easily uh, SSH in your Git Bash. So here in one rule, I I allow port number 22 from any IP, but this is not a good practice. Okay, you must paste your here on IP. Okay, so this is my code. I upload in GitHub, so you can easily find this code. Okay, so I'm going to upload. Mm, I'm going to create a stack. Okay, so you need to visit the CloudFormation here. CloudFormation. Okay, okay, create the stack. Okay, and upload a template. Choose a file. Okay, IML and JSON format only. So EC2 instance, EC2, my file, a template name. Okay, wait for the some time. Okay, then proceed. Okay, next enter stack name. So stack stack app. Okay, next. Mm, so here is some thing just like a permission when you are working on a project, then you need to I am a role. Okay, tags is optional. Okay, stack failure, stack policy, rollback configuration not fixed option. This is one of the important when you are working on a just like mm, high CPU high CPU utilization cloud was. Then you need to create a add SNS topic. When you create a SNS, then you need appear some options like email, phone number, etc. Thing. The email is one of the easiest. When you click email, and then uh, basically I discuss about this in next lecture. Okay, then next I review this and proceed submit. This take a few time, so we need to wait for some time. This takes some time, so I'm going to pause the lecture, and when it is completed, then I start. Okay. My creation is complete, so here you can easily see the stack created successfully, and this is the event section. You can see that. Okay, this takes some time. Okay, so this is my EC2 instance step. Okay, if you click this directly visit to the inner instance, so I'm going to see my EC2 dashboard where this my EC2 instance is running or not. Okay, running session. So this is my CFN EC2 instance. That is a running instance. Okay, okay. In this in a US East 1D region. Okay, this is a public IP. Okay, it's really public. Okay, and I show you what is the name of its KeyPair or security group. So this is a security group that is created. Okay, ADT security group. Okay, just click and visit the security group. Okay, and this is the ADT security group. It is created through the CloudFormation script, and it uses the KeyPair, that is a God's key. Okay, so in detail section you can easily say KeyPair them. Okay, this is MIID. Okay, we need to find the proper AMID. Okay, God's key. This is a God's key. Okay, this is key. So if you want to SSH, then we need to just connect and SSH copy this and go to your Git Bash. So open Git Bash in another. Okay, my switch to that file where your key is saved. Okay, my key is saving download. Okay, key. There is my key. So I paste this and add. This is a fingerprint. If you yes, then this fingerprint is saved for your file. Okay, warning permanently added. This is this. Okay, okay. I'm going to okay. I'm going to clear successfully added, and you are successfully able to successfully able to complete this task. Okay, first of all, clear this screen, and else nothing is happen. Okay, so from here I proceed to the next lecture. Okay, so I exit from this. Okay, so I'm going to stop sharing.